Hello, Dr. Bill here. Today we're going to take a look at some algebra, specifically when plugging in is not convenient. Now, I've told you before that when you have sometimes ugly algebra problems, it's convenient to plug in the answers, which we usually call back solving. But today we see here that these answers are not so convenient, and if we plug these in for m, it would make a bit of work, right? So I think here it's actually easier to solve algebraically. So let's see what we can do. We have here, if 0 equals 2 over m plus 2 minus 8 over m plus 3, what is the value of m? Okay, so let's solve this. I think here we'll just write down 0 equals 2 over m plus 2 minus 8 over m plus 3. I think here we could move negative 8 over m plus 3 to the other side. So when we do that, we get 8 over m plus 3 equals 2 over m plus 2. Okay, at this point, we would want to cross multiply. So let's do that. So we'd get 8 times m plus 2 equals 2 times m plus 3. Let's distribute 8 times m is 8m plus, because it's positive, 8 times 2 is 16 equals 2 times m is 2m plus 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now I could either, in trying to isolate the variable, bring 8m over to this side or 2m over to that side. Generally, I much prefer to keep variables positive. So I'm going to subtract 2m from both sides, and this is going to give me 6m over here on the left. And this equals, again, I would want to subtract 16 from both sides to get this to come over. So we'd get 6 over here minus 16. Okay, now we've got 6m equals 6 minus 16. As I've said before, when we have a small number and we're subtracting a larger one, it's the same thing as subtracting the smaller from the larger and then just taking the sign of the larger. So if we subtract the smaller from the larger here, 16 minus 6 is 10, and the sign of the bigger number is negative, so this would be negative 10. Okay, so let's solve for m now. We would simply divide both sides by 6. The 6's cancel, and we get m equals negative 10 sixths, which of course is not there because we need to reduce this. We see here that both sides are divisible by 2. When we divide negative 10 by 2, we get negative 5. 6 by 2, we get 3. And our answer here is negative 5/3, which is B as in boy. Okay, I hope you found this brief algebra lesson helpful. Again, if you did, please subscribe to the channel. If you have not, hit the like button, the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and please share with anyone who could use the help. Okay, this is Dr. Bill. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video.